Hello everyone! Welcome na naman sa iLabMath. We are in quarter 3, lesson 1 natin, mathematical system. Okay, we have 4 classification of mathematical system. We have the undefined terms, defined terms, axioms or postulates, and theorem. Pero sa video na ito, tatalakayin lang natin ang undefined terms and defined terms. So, next video natin yung axiom, postulates, and theorem. Okay, undefined terms, these are the starting point of the mathematical system. They use to define or explain other terms or concepts in the system. We have a point, number 1. It denotes a position in space and has no dimension. It has no size, no width, no length, and no depth. It is shown by a dot and named by a capital letter. So we have an example. We have point E. This can be read as point E or simply E. Pwedeng point E or eto lang kanyang letter E. Okay, we have a line. It is consists of points and extends infinitely in both directions. So, meron siyang mga arrowheads. It named using 2 points or usually lowercase letter. So, we have an example. We have a line. Meron siyang dalawang arrowheads in both. Pwede mo siya kasing ma-extend. Etong arrowheads na to, pwede siyang ma-extend in both directions. So, infinitely, ma-extend siya. So, we have 2 points, R and S. Then, the small letter T. So, pwede natin siyang ma-name as line RS using the points, 2 points, or line T, yung small letter T. Next is a plane. It is a flat surface which extends infinitely in all directions. Then it is named by a capital letter or 3 points on a plane that are not on the same line. So, example, kung makikita ninyo, meron tayong 3 points na hindi sila magka-linya. Ito yung sinasabing not on the same line. So, etong plane na to ay maraming points sa loob ng plane. Tapos, mai-extend siya in all directions. Dito, in all sides, in all directions, mai-extend ang plane na to. So, pwede natin siyang pangalanan na plane G, yung capital letter na G. Then, pwede ding plane LMN using the 3 points. Or, pwede ring gamitin yung symbol ng plane. Plane LMN. Okay. Dito na tayo sa defined terms. These are terms defined using undefined terms and other defined terms. These terms have a formal definition. They are used to define even more terms. So, we have line segment. So, doon sa undefined terms, kung ang line undefined siya or walang definition, dito sa defined terms or yung may mga definition na terms, ito yung line segment. Line segment, meron na siyang definition. Hindi katulad ng line na wala siyang definition. Hindi siya ma-define. So, line segment, it is a part of a line that has 2 endpoints whose length is fixed. Meron siyang 2 endpoints. Then, ito yung example natin. Ito yung line segment. Example ng line segment. Meron siyang 2 endpoints. Etong line segment ay hindi siya na-extend. Ang length niya is fixed. Fixed na tinatawag na hindi siya na-extend. Unlike sa line, mai-extend siya both direction kasi both ends niya ay arrowheads. Dito ay point. Point yung ano niya, yung end point. So, hindi siya na-extend. So, pwede natin siyang pangalanan using the 2 points. So, line segment AB or segment AB, diretso. Or, etong symbol ng line segment, AB. Sa taas ng AB, meron siyang linya. Ito yung symbol ng line segment. Next is the ray. Ray, it is a part of a line which starts in an endpoint and extend in one direction. So, ito makikita natin yung example. Ang start niya is endpoint. So, hindi siya ma-extend dito sa left or sa right ba. Basta ang endpoint, hindi siya na-extend. Fix siya. Pero, yung other side ay arrowhead. So, mai-extend itong other side. Pwede, ganito yung ray. So, meron siyang 2 points. Pwede mo siyang pangalanan ng ray AB gamit yung 2 points. Or, ganito. Ito yung symbol ng ray. Para siyang arrow. Then, gamit yung 2 points AB. Number 3 is angle. An angle, it is a union of 2 rays with a common endpoint called the vertex. Okay, for example, we have angle OPQ. So, ang common endpoint nila ay si P. So, eto ngayon yung tinatawag na vertex. Si P yung vertex. So, pwede natin siyang pangalanan na angle gamit yung 3 points. Angle OPQ or angle P using the vertex. Angle P. Okay, next is number 4, collinear points. These are points that lies on the same line. So, example, etong mga points na nasa loob ng isang linya. So, they are collinear dahil itong 3 points lies on the same line. So, itong points X, Y, Z ay collinear dahil nandyan sila sa iisang linya. So, number 5, kung meron tayong collinear, number 5, meron na naman tayong non-collinear points. So, obviously, ang collinear lies on the same line. So, non-collinear meaning these are points that are not on the same line. So, hindi sila naglalay sa isang linya. So, example, yan. Hindi sila naglay on the same line. So, matatawag natin siyang non-collinear points. Next is coplanar. Coplanar points. These are points that lies on the same plane. So, kanina, na-discuss na natin yung plane. Pag points na nandyan sa loob ng plane, sa iisang plane, tinatawag na coplanar points. So, we have 4 points, L, M, N, O. So, they are, nandyan sila sa loob ng iisang plane. So, they are called coplanar points. Next is the non-coplanar points. So, obviously, again, kanina meron tayong coplanar. Points lies on the same plane. So, etong non-coplanar, ito yung points na hindi sila naglalay sa isang plane. Okay, so we have, katulad nito, etong meron siyang point O sa labas na hindi siya sa loob ng plane. So, ito yung tinatawag na points L, M, N, and O are non-coplanar points. Let's have our activity. Try to answer this in your notebook. I-pause mo na yung video, then sabay-sabay nating sagutan. So, determine the undefined terms best described in the figure. So, point, we have point, line, and a plane. So, number 1 figure is tip. Ito yung ball pen, the tip of a ball pen. So, ito yung tip of a ball pen. So, this describes a point. Next figure, blackboard. So, this best describe a plane. Number 3, pedestrian lane. So, pedestrian lane, as you see, merong mga linya-linya. So, this describes a line. So, next figure, a carpet. So, best describe a plane. Next is a billiard table. So, this describes a plane again. Sunod, billiard ball. So, kanina, billiard table. Ngayon is billiard ball. So, this describes a point. Next is edge of the table. Itong edge niya describes a line. Then, stars in the sky describes a point. Then, the last one is a pencil. Yes, this describes a line. Next, determine whether each of the following is true or false. So, number 1, we have T, U, and V are collinear. So, T, U, and V are collinear. True or false? So, that's true. Number 2, T, Y, and X are coplanar. So, that is false. Kasi they are not lie on the same plane. Next, A, Z, and W are non-collinear. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila magkalinya. So, A, Z, and W. And it is true. They are not collinear or non-collinear. They are not lie on the same line. Next is W, B, and X are coplanar. W, B, and X are coplanar. And that is true. They are lie on the same plane. Next is A, Z, and B. A, Z, and B are non-collinear. That is false because they are collinear. Next is M, A, and T. M, A, and T are non-coplanar. Non-coplanar, that is true. Hindi sila coplanar. Next, A, Z, and W. A, Z, and W are non-coplanar. That is false. They lie on the same plane. Last one, V, N, and W are coplanar. V, N, and W are coplanar. And that is true. So, if you got perfect, congratulations. Ibig sabihin, may natutunan kayo sa lesson natin. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron tayong next na upload na lesson. Okay? That's it, and bye-bye.